keywording. I'm ready to create my contact sheet. So I'm going to come over to print, and on the print window, the way that we add the info that we want is under page photo info. That's what we're looking for. We're going to click here. Mine currently says custom setting, but we're going to click here. We're going to hit edit, and we're going to delete everything that's up here right now. And this is the order in which I want to see the information. We're going to put keyword first. So keywords down here under IPTC data. We're going to click on keywords right there, and it should add. If it doesn't, I'm going to hit insert. There we go. There's insert. I'm going to hit the space bar and put a dash, and then the space bar again. So that's what I want to make sure I'm doing there. Keywords, space, dash, space. And then I want the star rating, and the star rating is down here under EXIF data, and it's towards the bottom. So if you haven't found it yet, you're going to need to click on one of these, grab rating. Again, if it doesn't insert because it was already there, I'm going to click insert. So I just want keywords and rating. That's all I want on this contact sheet. So we're going to go ahead and hit done. So when I look here, I should see the keywords that you typed, and I should see the star rating that's there. Now currently I only have one photo showing up because down here under use it says use selected photos. Now I can do all film strip photos if all I have in the film strip is the photos I'm supposed to turn in, or I can choose flagged photos or leave it selected photos. Now we haven't talked about flagging photos yet, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. So notice all the photos disappear from there. In order to flag them, we may have to come back to library. And if this is my hard light example, then I need to flag it by pressing P. That's flagged as a pick. So it adds this flag here. I can also click this little flag here. So if I go to the next one, and this is the one I want to use for backlight, I can click there, or I can press the P key. So both work. I'm going through and trying to find the ones that I want to use as my photos. So I'm coming through and just making sure that I've got all 12 of the photos that are listed here, and I've got one for each. So I come back here and I continue. Now I don't have all of the photos, so I'm just kind of pretending I have all of the photos. Okay, so I go back here, and what should happen is under print, these should show up. Those are my flagged photos. They should show up on my print theoretically. There we go. So there are my photos. If I accidentally flag a photo, oh no, I've got one of two pages here. So I've got two extra photos. I went down here to the bottom of the page and clicked on page and just kind of clicked and dragged to scroll across. I can see that I have two pages. So there were two extra photos on that second page, so I accidentally included two that shouldn't be there. So if I flag something that shouldn't be there, the way to unflag is just by hitting the U key. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this one, that's unflag that one, and I'm going to grab this one, I've already got a backlight, unflag that one. And now I'm down to page 1 of 1. This is what should be on your contact sheet. So now I'm ready to hit print to file. I'm going to call this light CS, and then I'm going to make sure it's saved to my final work folder. right, that's it for that. The last step is to edit and export. So I'm going to pick one of these photos to edit and export, and then we're done.